galaxies. Let's add something else. For example, cosmic dust. Let's get started. For a cloud of dust, we need a particle. It has a location and a color. We can also update it, shift the location and update the color, and the render method. We are drawing a particle as a point. Now let's move on to the dust. A cloud consists of a certain number of particles that live their own lives. Let's move on to rendering. We are doing a certain number of steps with each particle. To obtain the shift, a vector is calculated from a random angle. Its magnitude is equal to 1. We are updating each particle and drawing it. Let's test it. Oh, we need to make them more transparent. That's better. And we will continue in the next video.